Hello guys, my name is Rix. I haven't made a city update in a while, so I decided that I will work a bit more on the city. So I wanted to make a haul on some cool parts I got, but I never got around to making that haul because you guys don't really like haul videos, nobody really watches them, so I'm not gonna make a video if nobody wants to see it. But I got some cool parts for the city and I will try to upgrade this section a little bit more. Before I can get to work on this part, I need to clean this table up, because every single time I clean it up, a week later it's gonna be a mess, and it's a mess again. So yeah, let's use the power of editing and clean this up real quick. And with the power of editing, I am done. It's all cleaned up. It's definitely not on the floor. It's all cleaned up. So now I'm gonna start some work on this. So let's open the time episode and start building. So guys, as you saw from the time-lapse, I upgraded this side of the train tracks, and I think it looks a lot better now that it has this angle. It's still not the most detailed thing, it's still a little bit plain, but I don't mind it because it doesn't use a lot of parts. And I also started, well, not making the actual wall that's gonna be here, but I made a little part so you can imagine how the entire wall will look. And I'm also thinking of putting some graffitis at the lower part of the wall, because next to train tracks you often find graffitis on buildings, sometimes on train cars, and I kind of want to add a bit of detail to an otherwise plain grey wall. So I made two graffitis. So I don't think I have showed these before. So this one is a Tayfall graffiti. It's pretty simple, nothing too complex. The other one is well, I will let you decide what it is, but that's the other graffiti. And I'm maybe gonna make a couple more. I don't know. This isn't the final place for it. That's just where I put it temporarily. I might put it somewhere else. Some details that I added are at the edges. I'm pretty happy with how this transition turned out. think it's pretty nice, and on this side as well, it's really alright. I think it's fine. Now we only have to test one more thing. Can the train fit? Well, let's see. If I have my fingers crossed, let's hope nothing breaks. Okay, that was very close, but it didn't hit anything, so great. Oh. I underestimated the size of the train. It hit this box that I was using for the camera, so that's not very good, is it? But I can fix that in no time at all. So it didn't hit anything here, which is great because I don't have to redesign this, and that would be a pain. One of the trees did fall. I don't exactly know why it fell, but it definitely did fall. Yeah, okay, yeah, I gotta fix. Okay guys, I fixed everything. I made this tree a lot taller now. Hopefully it's not gonna hit the train like the last time, so let's see. Okay, so the train is coming. This is the moment of truth. Okay, it didn't hit the tree, nice. Okay, good news. This is the end of the video. We haven't done a lot of progress, but we did make this part of the city look considerably better. And I think the train track area is getting better and better with each update. So I hope that you guys like it as well. If you have any ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comment below. I will read all of them. Also, I wanna start working on another building for the city, so if you have any suggestions, comment them down below. Hope that you guys enjoyed this city update. If you did, hit the like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and well, keep on building as always.